Nearly 1/5 of the land in San Diego County looks like this. The Anza Borrego Desert. It's hard to imagine anything would want to live here, but this arid land is home to longhorn sheep, deer, and numerous wildflowers. And just over the Laguna Mountains, you'll find another kind of desert-dwelling animal. This is the Oasis Camel Dairy in Ramona, California. What are we looking at here?
We have the one-hump camels right over here. They're the hot desert camels. They do really good in this area. This is pretty much like their natural habitat.
Gil Regler and his wife are the proud owners of 24 dromedary camels. You know, the one-hump kind.
Camels come from Arabia, these camels. There's one-hump camels, they come from the hot desert. Two-hump camels come from the cold desert.
Not only do the one-hump camels like the hot San Diego desert, they're also the ideal breed of camel for milk production. You're actually milking these camels?
Yes, I am. Right now I'm milking one camel. I milk Knuckles and we make our products.
The camel milk at Oasis Dairy is not for drinking. It's used in lotions and soaps.
The lotion has 10% camel's milk in it. We milk, right now we're milking Knuckles, and then her milk goes into this lotion.
According to Gil, camel's milk has a lot of health properties, and it's actually good for you.
It's really, really good stuff. Turns out camel milk is the closest milk to human mother's milk.
Unfortunately, California regulations don't allow Gil to sell the raw camel's milk. For now, that leaves more milk for the camel babies. This up here, is that water in there?
The hump is made out of fat.
Oh, it's fat.
It's bristly fat. Oh. So camels can go 2 weeks without drinking any water, lose 25% of their body weight.
Education is a big part of Oasis Camel Dairy. Every month, they open up the ranch to visitors. And for obvious reasons, visiting day is the camel's favorite day.
They just love attention. They want to be petted. They seek it out.
Of course, a trip to the Camel Dairy wouldn't be complete without a ride on the camels.
Lean back, lean back.
That is a trip right there. One hump is better than two when it comes to riding. Why, you ask? Well, they're bred that way. And how much can this camel carry?
600 pounds.
600 pounds?
10 hours a day.
The camels here don't ever carry that much weight. In fact, they're treated a lot better than they were in their past life.
We take in camels that are sick or not doing good. We have a great veterinary program. If we need to buy them, we buy them.
This place is more of a camel rescue than it is a dairy.
Hey, good girl. Come right here. You're okay.
It may be hard to imagine that anything would want to live in this arid land, but for these camels, this is an oasis. From the Oasis Camel Dairy out in Ramona, I'm John Bartell. Hope to see you on the back road. You hungry? Yeah. I don't think it's that good though.